Hello everyone, welcome to my walking tour. Today I'm going to share with you guys my visit to Statue of Liberty experience and Brooklyn Botanical Garden walking tour. I hope you guys gonna enjoy the tour and I'm going to tell you guys in detail everything. We are inside the castle to get our wristband for the Statue of Liberty ferry. I'm very excited we got our ticket. This bracelet gives us access to the crown. We are waiting for the security line to go into the ferry. This is like a airport. You have to take off your belt, any jewelry to go through the security. We are inside the ferry, enjoying the view. We landed in the island. Now we are walking through the Statue of Liberty Island. It's a beautiful day. I'm enjoying. I planned for this trip 4 months ago because my nephew's Aman came from UK. Just to make sure we can go see the crown, we had to book the ticket advance. And my son Shyam and Shahid with me. We are top of the pedestal and it's so lovely. The weather was beautiful, enjoying the view. My sons and my nephew went to the crown. They climbed 162 steps and enjoying the view. I couldn't go because I have a back pain and I stayed on the pedestal waiting for them. The steps are very narrow. They recorded for me to see. I came down to the second floor with elevator and went to visit the museum inside the Statue of Liberty. There's a lot of information and historical information and pictures. I looked through and then I was waiting for my son. They did not use elevator. They came down all the way to the first floor. The steps from the crown to the first floor is 354 steps. And I'm so proud of them. They did an excellent job walking down. And I enjoyed the museum view and I met them outside to go look around. And this trip was amazing. We had a great time looking around and taking pictures and finding new informations. And I put a lot of information step by step in my description. You guys can look through. And I would like you guys to have a chance to come around. If you want to visit New York, this is the best place to visit. At the end, it was hot. My son treated us ice cream, which is my favorite. We got onto the ferry and then we tried to visit Ellis Island. We are in Ellis Island. We are inside the building, looking informations and just viewing the historical museum. We had a great time in Ellis Island and Statue of Liberty. I planned this trip 4 months ago and I have all the information on my descriptions if you want to visit to New York. Definitely visit the Statue of Liberty. Friendship gift from France. I attach a map how to go to the Statue of Liberty from Battery Park with ferry. Also, I attach a map of the island. Enjoy the trips.